Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bluesound Pulse M and I'm going to show you how to add your favorite station. Let's get started. So, at first we have to open a Bluesound app. Now, there are two ways of doing it. The first one is go to the favorites and click Add Custom Station. We can enter our name and URL. The second way is to go to the search and search for some podcasts. As you can see, there are a lot of them. We have to click these three dots and click favorite. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.